Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we'll continue creating financial model of yoga classes from scratch. If you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends. Also, you can order financial model from scratch for your business idea unique or for your existing business. We can help you to see the clear picture of your revenues, expenses. And today we will talk about a schedule. We will take a typical week and create a real schedule, and so the entrepreneur will be able to see if this schedule is real or not real. So let's start creating it. So first of all, we will describe each day of the week and which types of yoga which type of yoga appears inside this work day. So let's look how you can do that, how you can model that. So in this table we will place days of the week, and here we will place the amount of working hours per day that we have. For example, we will work from 9 to 9 from Monday till Friday, and 9 hours a day on Saturday and Sunday. So we can also adjust these values. We will mark them with our specific color that goes with all our inputs. And now let's create a schedule. So this is the heart of this financial model. So when you will create the cash flow statement, when you will see the statement, when you will see the simple discounted payback period, you will start adjusting the schedule. So that's why this block of inputs must be very simple, understandable, and let's try to do it this way. So schedule, this will be Monday schedule, so here we will place the yoga type. Then we will place the column we will place status, or no, we will place revenue. We will place revenue. We will place direct costs. We will place amount of people in the class. Also, we will do it like this. We will place traffic we will add this column here. Also, we may add some coefficient and to amount of people in the class, because later when we will create the cash flow statement, we will need this opportunity to play with the amount of people in the class. So I will just displace all this data to the right. Because having these coefficients will simplify creating scenarios when you will see net present value, profitability index. So this is the traffic, how many people we have, amount of people in the class, so revenue, direct costs, amount of people in the class. Then duration, we will need some additional column for that. So for our schedule, we will need these columns be filled with data. So what we will do now, we will take data validation option, take a list. So this information will be taken from this table. So what we will do now, here we just take different yoga classes that we have in schedule for Monday. So it's just a simple schedule. So for example, today at 9 o'clock we have yoga type this class, at 3 o'clock we'll have another type of yoga, so it is just scheduled for Monday. So here we just specify what types of yoga we have, and then we have to assign the data for these types of yoga from this table that we already created. And for that purpose we will use famous VLOOKUP function. Here we'll just insert some additional one additional line that will help us. This will be the number of a column. So we will use VLOOKUP. So we'll search this value. We will search for this value. We will search this value in this table. We will fix this table using $. And for revenues we will need 24th column. We will take this and we'll fix the line. We will fix the line. We will need exact match, and if will be error, we will place 0. So as you can see, we have for revenue type 4 the revenue per class that is equal to 120. Yoga number 4, revenue 120. So if we change here, so we can see how this value will change. Then we move to direct costs. We will need the next column. Then we extrapolate this formula and see what is the traffic. And now we will see the timing. So what we will do now, we'll just extrapolate these formulas. Now we'll create totals. And what is valuable in this case, we have to create the time limitation block that will show us some errors when we have the duration of the total duration of the yoga classes that is more than or close to this value. Because when we start creating the schedule, we will be able to see that the occupancy of time is close to 100%. That is not real, and you will have to decrease the amount of classes inside the day, so to get closer to reality. So and what we will do here, we will so here is the, just a moment guys. So for Monday we have workday equal to 12. So a time occupancy is like this. Or we will create a time alert button. So if this value is more than 1, then we will type otherwise we will type okay. Here we can use conditional formatting. We will use a formula. If this is more than 1, for example, we will use this font. We will use this. So now we have our Monday done, and what we have, for example, we start adding some classes. And now we see that that is not real to have all these classes in one day, because when you create just average check and multiply it on amount of people that go to your yoga classes, you don't feel the real schedule. But when you start creating a real schedule for each day of the week, you start looking at reality, at realism of the data that you put inside your financial model. So when you start creating the algorithm like this, you will trust this algorithm, and you will be able to easily persuade your investors, your partners. You will easily persuade yourself to start the business, because you see that all this algorithm is real. So this is this amount of classes is real, this amount of people is real. And then when you see these numbers, you can start decreasing. Let's see, oh, that will be this is the real number. So this is, if these numbers are real, this is the real revenue, this is the real so we just go here, copy these formats, so you will be able to see that this is your real revenue, this is your real daily direct expenses for Monday, this is your real traffic of people, this is your timing. So, and you start analyzing this reality. So, and you start avoiding every check. That is very important. When you start looking at your business idea closely, you start creating different scenarios. So, and now we will do the same for all days of the week, for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so on. Before we move to Tuesday, we should consolidate this data. So we will take all this information. So revenue will take from here, direct costs we will take from here, traffic, duration, time occupancy, So, and now let's do the same for all other days of the week. So, and now when we've created the schedule for each day inside the typical week, here you can see Sunday schedule, Saturday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, so every day of the week. So now we have to consolidate all this data in typical week. So here we will place days of the week. Here we will place our parameters that we figure out. So we will go on Monday. Then we will take this data we have 5 parameters. Now we will do the same with Tuesday. And now we'll do the same with all other days of the week. So now we've consolidated our information about the revenues, direct costs, amount of people in class, duration, time of occupancy per one day, per one Monday. So we will mark this information because it's the revenue with green, direct costs with red, the traffic will go with orange, duration we'll do like this, and time occupancy, duration hours will do like this. So now we've created the parameters for just one day, one Monday, one Tuesday, one Wednesday, Thursday, and now inside each month we have a certain amount of Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and now it's time for us to multiply all this information on amount of days, on amount of Mondays, Tuesday inside each month. So this will be our next step of calculations. So if you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends. Also, you can order financial model from scratch for your unique business idea or for your existing business. We can help you with that. So see you next videos. Thank you and bye.